In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a reminder in Slack. In a busy digital workspace, it's easy for important follow-ups to get buried under messages and notifications. Thankfully, Slack has a built-in reminder feature powered by Slackbot, and it gives you a simple way to make sure tasks don't slip through the cracks. You can use it to remind yourself, send a reminder to another person, or even notify an entire channel at a specific time. One easy way to do this is by turning an existing message into a reminder. To start, open Slack on your desktop app or in your web browser. Then go to the conversation where the message is located. Once you've found the message you want to come back to later, hover your mouse over it. When you do that, a small toolbar will appear in the upper right area of the message. From there, click the More Actions icon, which appears as 3 dots. In the menu that opens, move your cursor over the option that says, Remind me about this. Slack will then show you several time choices, such as in 1 hour, tomorrow, or a custom option if you want to choose a specific date and time. Click the one that works best for you, and Slackbot will send you a private confirmation, so you know the reminder has been created successfully. If you want more control, you can also create reminders manually using the / command. Click into the text box at the bottom of any channel or direct message and type /remind. Slack uses a simple structure for this command. Remind who, what, and when. In other words, the format is /remind followed by the person or channel, then the task, and finally the time. For example, if you want to remind yourself, you could type a command telling Slack to remind you to review something later today. If you want to remind a teammate, type the command with their mention, followed by the task and the time. And if you want to remind a whole channel, include the channel name, the action item, and the schedule. This is especially useful for recurring team reminders. Once your command is ready, press enter to send it. Slackbot will immediately respond with a confirmation showing the reminder details. If you ever want to check your active reminders, type /remind list and press enter. Slack will open a private list where you can review what's scheduled and choose to complete or delete reminders when needed. And that's all it takes to set a reminder in Slack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.